On a Mac, if you aren't able to get it to move from installing 100% to open, then you're going to open your Applications folder and look in there for the icons for the labs you need. I need physics and physical science. They're not there, so they must have gotten stuck somewhere in the installation process. So then you'll click on Go, and if you don't have library as an option here in this list, then you're going to click Command-Shift-Period, and now library will show up. Now you can go into Application Support and find Beyond Labs Connect or BLZ Connect depending on when you installed the program. Here I can see that the zipped files for physics and physical science did manage to get installed. So if I double click that, I can expand the files. And then I see the icon as I expect. I can drag that over into Applications. Do the same for whatever labs you need. Drag that over into Applications. Oops. Now when you look in Applications, you should be able to see all the icons that you need. Excuse me. If your Connect is still connected, you're going to want to quit it, and then open your browser again. Log back in. Click Connect. And now it will say open for the labs you need.